Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't often do these types of reviews, but in this case, I need to. Listen, guys, we all have our place where we go and get our systems, right? It's the defaults, where we always go. We know it is familiar. I had an emergency and I needed a new hair system. I pulled it too much, the lace ripped. Instead of going to my new place that normally takes about 2.5 weeks, or my normal place, I decided to try Superhairpieces because they ship directly out of North America. And, well, being out of North America, it's kind of a no-brainer. Starting conversations with a new company, I had so many questions, right? But their North America-based support has so many different options that fit you. I decided to text, but you can email, you can chat, you can give them a call directly. They were perfect. They helped me out. We talked about the differences. I had it in the same week, which is not something I'm used to, right? But once I got it, wow, right away, I could tell that the lace was more durable. The color was exactly the color that fits me. And of course, 100% human hair on all of their systems. This system is the M105. I get the color 3 with 5% gray because, well, I got a lot of gray. It has been one of the easiest systems to work and manipulate that I've ever had. And I haven't even custom ordered this. I was elated to know that worst case scenarios, you can get a custom piece in 3 months. Like, wow, I've done it before, and I think it took me about 6 months. I went on their YouTube, Superhairpieces. They have so many different styles. They show off different cuts. They have tips, suggestions, and all of that stuff is so helpful. And, totally forgot this, I needed new stuff. They are the largest supplier in North America. I'm gonna also put some pictures along with it, but it is perfect, like perfect. I know when I started this, I knew how this was gonna sound. It was gonna sound like a paid video. They paid me, none in the slightest. I am just totally geeked out about how this looks. The way that I was able to get it, it was the easiest, quickest process I've ever dealt with. Like, I am shocked. I'm totally geeked. Get with me. Comment. Reach out. I'm excited. Get it, please. Go, 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 go. Bye.